Buy any fog lights with size fit. Buy OEM switch or make your own. Make sure it comes with the plug and wires. Longer wires are easier for soldering. Here is the diagram. Okay, let's make it easier. This is the plug. These are the 4 wires we need to connect. F, H, G, E. Solder wires to about these lengths. You can find same color wires from Honda cars in wreckers, or make your own wires. Make sure wires are the same thickness or thicker. And we need to solder this pin for the white wire. These are the plugs I got from Honda cars at wrecker. Wires are different thicknesses. Find the right size for the switch plug. This is the female plug. Use a sharp pick to get the pins out. Make sure you use the flux to do soldering. Makes the job a lot easier. Plug-in is easy. Only goes in one way. This is the male plug. Get pins out by the same way. Now you can make your own plugs. Five screws to remove. Disconnect plugs behind the panel. Push out your old switch. There's a hole to run the new plug in. Check fuse 15 is good. Connect H and G wires to fuse 15 through this plug. Connect red-black wire to slot 7. And connect red-green wire to slot 8. Or connect white-red wire to slot 3. Depends on your Prelude model. These are the 2 wires I found. Red-black at slot 7 and red-green at slot 8. Use wire connector is the easy way. Make sure you do it right before you click in. There's no step back. Red-black wire is done. Now do the red-green wire. Two wires are done. Now we need to connect white wire to fuse 9. Remove all plugs. Remove these 2 bolts. Remove main relay plug. Connect white wire to fuse 9 through this plug. These are 2 empty slots. We need to find out which slot goes to fuse 9. Check the fuse 9 is good. Use a multimeter to check. Plug in one of the slot. Touch the other side to the fuse. That's the right slot. Plug in the white wire. Only goes in one way. Done. Connect the plug. Connect the switch. Connect negative wire to car metals. Connect positive wire. Make sure they don't touch each other. Turn on the switch. It works. Turn off the fog light switch and plug in the headlight switch. Confirm the fuse 9 is still good. Run blue wire through that hole. Tidy up wires to avoid danger driving. Now run the long blue wire all the way to the front. A separate blue wire goes from one side to the other.
Three hours later.
Long blue wire is done with loom tube like the factory look. One blue wire goes into a female plug. 2 blue wires out from a male plug to the left and right. Use a wire connector to make 2 wires getting power from one wire. 1 wire goes left and 1 wire goes right. A male plug to connect fog light, and a negative wire connect to ground. Another wire goes all the way to the other side. Same setting as the other side. Connect the fog light. I made this connectors for easy replacement to any fog lights in the future. Install fog lights, then the job is done.
A few moments later.